Welcome back, guys, to another edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam. So we are on the Blackstone tonight, and it's getting hot. So let's go see what's cooking up. So let's take a look. We got broccoli, Cheryl's favorite, beef, and sauce. So what are we making? Broccoli and beef, or beef and broccoli, depending on how you want to say it. We got some noodles cooking inside, you guys, too, because the noodles, they're not going to cook very well on the Blackstone, but I'm guessing we're going to toss them all together at the end. So, we're going to get the broccoli going, and it is now raining.
Trying to rain.
And you're going to have to get the dog back on the leash, because she's going to freak out.
Well, let's see how much it rains. It might just pass by. We'll see how she does.
All
Say
right.
hi!
So we're going to...
Sorry, back to business.
All right, we're going to drop some butter on, because everything's better with butter, right? Or...
Right. We're ready.
There's some butter for your broccoli. So like I said, guys, we have this heating up. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because we do not want to burn our broccoli. I don't know, maybe you can't burn broccoli. Can you?
I bet you can burn broccoli.
I bet you can too. But not in this house. Not Cooking with the KAM Fam. No burned broccoli here. So we're not even rolling any seasoning on this right now. Is that correct?
Ooh, you can already smell the broccoli.
Look at all the flavors. So I'm going to squirt it up. Give that some water. So we can get a good little steam going. And of course, this is why you get a lid on your Blackstone, so you can close it up.
All right, and it's starting to rain harder, so Scout's coming in.
All right, so ooh, that broccoli looking good already. I can see that stuff. Got a little bit of color to one side.
Are you saying it's burnt?
Not burnt. We're going to say it's golden.
Oh, okay. See, this is going to be a quick meal.
Yeah, so this is cooking pretty nicely. I think we're going to hit a little more water because I really want this broccoli just nice and steamy, which is what it's doing on here.
But not soggy, so don't let it cook too long.
All right, so we're going to hit it up for 30 seconds.
And while you're doing that, let's bring the meat over.
All right.
Where's the beef?
So, show me the beef. So we got ourselves some steak cut into perfectly strips by Taryn. And what do we got in here for some sauce?
There's some Worcestershire. There's some soy sauce. Really, the soy sauce alternative starts with an A.
We don't know.
I can't think of what it's called. And some brown sugar.
All right, because we want a little bit sweet, just like us.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say you.
Yeah, like me. All right. Now, the other thing, KAM Fam, in case you did not notice, we have a great porch. And the reason we do is for times like this. It is raining outside, and we're still cooking with the KAM Fam, and we got plenty of seating. So y'all make yourself comfortable, come on over. So, this broccoli, we're gonna move that to the side, because we don't want it to get too soft. Sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
All right, now do you want a little bit of oil down for your meat?
Possibly.
So,
And the meat is very thin and cut into small slices, so it'll go quickly.
That avocado oil, which we love to use. And spread that around a little bit, give it a little sizzle. All right, now let's drop the meat like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. That was a very underwhelming sizzle. There we go.
Yes, I didn't want to splash up on me. So I can smell those sauces, guys. Think of this almost like a hibachi stir fry. See, that meat is already cooking. It's not gonna take long at all. And how many of the KAM Fam kids do you think are gonna eat this?
All of them.
Yeah, right. Guys,
They should all try it.
Kevlin's gonna say, ew, broccoli.
But she'll try it, just not the broccoli. Maybe I can entice her to try the broccoli.
She'll probably like the meat, but not the broccoli.
And she'll like the pasta, so she might try it.
All right.
So you can see the meat is already starting to brown. So definitely will not take long. You don't want to overcook the steak because nobody wants chewy steak.
All right. So we're about ready to roll this into the broccoli or what?
Soon. I'd say give it another minute.
All right, guys. So we are mixing up some homemade KAM Fam ramen noodles.
Let me grab the sauce too. Because I told you it's going to be quick.
So like I said, this is homemade ramen noodles without the seasoning. Because we're lazy and we just wanted some good pasta to go in it.
Really, because I didn't have any thin spaghetti. So this was the next best thing.
This is the next best option. All right, we dump it and mix them.
So let's stir our meat once, and then we can dump it right over the meat, and we'll add the broccoli and our sauce. Oh yeah, that meat is looking good. Definitely ready. Try to keep some of those juices.
Yes, we're gonna try not to lose it.
All right, so let's add the noodles right there to hold that sauce.
All right, so we're gonna flip these noodles. Little sauce barrier.
There we go. Let's mix.
All right, so let's start bringing over our broccoli.
I'm gonna stir the sauce to make sure it's all still incorporated.
All right, so we're trying to mix.
No lie, y'all, this sauce is from a packet because we just happened to find one. I'm like, oh, perfect.
So that was one less step we had to worry about.
But we have made our own with soy sauce and some ginger, garlic. So we're not holding off on seasonings just because soy sauce has a lot of flavor. Whoa! We almost lost one. But we will definitely have salt and pepper at the table if needed.
Right,
I build a little well maybe.
A well like this?
Yeah.
All right, so I think we're ready to drop some sauce.
Maybe pour slowly.
One little stir.
You can pour over it too, but the rest will just have to go in the middle. Oh, in true KAM Fam fashion.
Wouldn't want y'all to miss out on the train.
Starting to caramelize. Get a little mixy mix.
So we're going to turn the heat up.
And I'm going to add some soy sauce because that doesn't look dark enough for me. Hold on.
Alright guys, so by Taryn's recommendation, we're going to add some soy sauce. I don't know how much we're going to add. She said she wants to see some color in this.
Alright, that's good.
Alright.
Again, we don't want it too salty, but we need some.
Just remember.
If I don't like it, it's my own fault. Is that what you're going to say?
She said to add.
It's going to be delicious. Alright, so it looks incorporated. Let's grab our tray. Bum, ba-da.
Alright, we're going to start scooping. Okay, I'll hold that.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
And if not, we're going out for dinner.
And then you guys won't be able to see the review on this food. If she drops it, it's on purpose, guys, just so you know.
I'm not dropping it. But it is hot. Alright, that looks delicious.
Alright. Gonna start up the cleanup process, and then we'll catch y'all in the house to give you the review on this beef and broccoli.
See you in a minute.
Alright, so Kevlin has already dove into this food. So Kevlin, tell us what you think.
It's good, but I still don't like the broccoli.
But you ate one of the broccoli, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you're still here, so tell me what you think of the beef and noodles. Try it. Try it. Take a bite.
The meat's good. I like the noodles.
Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Even with the broccoli, it's still 2 thumbs up. Do you want more?
But I don't like the pasta.
You don't like the pasta?
No, ramen chicken.
Only the meat. Okay.
Alright, so McKenna's gonna start eating, and let's see what she thinks.
It's good. It's good. It doesn't really have that much flavor, but
We needed more.
I think it has a lot of flavor. It's really good. I also love ramen.
Well, the whole purpose of the meal is not the ramen, but I guess that is what everybody thinks, and that's the only thing everybody cares about is the ramen.
I don't want
So Taryn, go ahead and tell us.
All right, so I got some pasta and some broccoli. You know what would be really good? Water chestnuts. Add a little bit of crunch. But I agree, the noodles, I think these noodles are too, not thin. I think spaghetti, like thin spaghetti would have been better. Because it's still not very saucy. But it's good. I will eat it.
All right, well, let's see. I'm gonna give it a try, I guess.
Well, if you don't like it, Daddy.
Well, if I don't like it,
He's gonna have to share mac and cheese with you.
All right, so let's get a bite here. Make sure I get some beef with it. Get some broccoli and noodles. Try to get a little bit of everything. It's a long piece of beef.
Sorry, I tried to cut him.
So, it's not bad. I do think when we make our own sauce is better than the packet sauce. So guys, I would recommend don't do the packet. Make your own sauce. Because it didn't seem like it soaked up enough of the flavor. I mean, it's good. You probably have to add a little extra seasoning on the side. But overall, it's pretty good.
See, so it still needed more soy sauce. And I still think it needs some ginger and still that touch of brown sugar to caramelize everything. But it's good. And we'll eat it. Ooh, that was a big chunk of broccoli. Is it mushy or perfectly steamed?
Perfectly steamed.
Oh,
Can you turn on the light?
good
Yes.
job.
So broccoli
Good
did
job.
well. Beef did well. Everything's well. We're going to eat this. Hopefully you liked this video. And check out all our other cooking videos or our cruise videos.
All right. Bye.
Bye, guys.
And they're off to the restroom. That's a true KAM Fam meal right there. See you next time.